Hello friends, this is my first stocking birds as well as my foundation pair, Felix and Nora, and today I just let them in this aviary. This is going to be their home because the other birds will be racing. So I don't want stocking birds mixed with racing birds. Anyway, I have to separate it. So hopefully everything will go fine. They will be little confused, what's going on and upset, but I think in a day or two they will adjust themselves. It's a beautiful pair. Jensen, pure Jensen and Mulliman line. I got it from a very good fancier, Mr. Alan Chambers. So it's something special.